Success doesn't come from what you do occasionally, but what you do consistently. Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is a key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. Don't measure your success by others' achievements, measure it by your own growth. Believe in yourself and all that you are capable of. The journey begins with one step. Success is 1% luck, 1% talent, 98% never giving up. Believing in yourself is the first secret of success. Sleep with a dream, wake up with a purpose, live with actions. Fear has two meanings: forget everything and run, or face everything and rise. The choice is yours. Success is when your signature changes to autograph. Focus on career because at the end people don't see your heart, they see your success. When you finally realize that nothing is permanent in this life, you will become more tolerant, more forgiving, and less judgmental. Never get upset, always get up and set yourself. Slow success builds character, fast success builds ego. Be soft and cool like water so you can adjust anywhere in life. Be hard and attractive like diamond so no one can play with your emotions. Do not follow the majority, follow the right way. Patience is a key element of success. Efforts are always better than promises, remember that. The first step is always the hardest. Knowledge will give you power, but good character will give you respect. If you never take a risk, your life will never change. Do what is right, not what is easy. Success is not permanent and failure is not final. Never stop working after success and never stop trying after failure. Success is not a luck, it's a game of patience and hard work. The seven C's of success: confidence, conception, concentration, consistency, character, commitment, capacity to enjoy. Four steps to success: confidence, consistency, commitment, and belief. Every success story started with a dream. Follow one course until successful. Success starts when you stop thinking and start doing. Wake up and work for your dreams. Success is the result of effort, dreams, and luck. Consistency is more important than perfection. Success is equal to 20% strategy, 80% mindset. Success is a vehicle which moves on a wheel called hard work, but the journey is impossible without fuel called self confidence. Success doesn't come from what you do occasionally, it comes from what you do consistently. Focus on your potential instead of your limitations. Success is not about being the best, it is about always getting better. Success comes to discipline, not motivation. Push yourself, no one else is going to do it for you. 6 months of hard work, consistency, focus, and discipline can change your life forever. Your success is found in your daily routine. Success depends on your daily efforts. Suffering is the essence of success. Skills that attract success: self confidence, communication, time management, listening, consistency, punctuality, honesty, networking, and having empathy. Past is experience, present is experiment, future is expectations. Use your experience in your experiments to achieve your expectations. Success hugs you in private, failure slaps you in public. Ignore what people think of you. Work harder, especially when nobody is watching. Without discipline, success is just a wish. Discipline is choosing between what you want now and what you want most. Every bad moment gives a pain, every pain gives a lesson, every lesson changes a person. Success is the art of never giving up. See your goal, understand the obstacles, create a positive mental picture, clear your mind of self doubt, embrace the challenge, stay on track, show the world you can do it. A desire changes nothing, a decision changes something, but our determination changes everything. Today is a period of struggle, tomorrow will be the period of success. Success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines practiced every day. If you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. If you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. We become more successful when we are happier and more positive. Success may seem distant, but remember, the journey of never giving up always leads you closer to the destination. Give time to education, education will change your time. The road to success may be long, but with each step you are closer to becoming person you were always meant to be. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe for more.